Hey, it's Dr. Mo here at Chiropractic Care Center in Fairfax. So I have Miss Bailey here. Miss Bailey came in here, what was it, like 3 weeks ago? She came in 3 weeks ago, and she's going to tell you, because she's going to tell you what was going on when she came in. Go ahead.
Yeah, so it's been quite a few months ago. I was having a lot of lower back pain, and I came in for my first time, and Dr. Mo adjusted me, and I popped a ton of times when he adjusted
That's
me.
right.
And I have been feeling fantastic ever since then.
Yeah, so she came in and she had a couple of segments that were out. Yeah, she was, and you had pain on the legs, didn't you?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you were kind of scared to begin.
Yeah.
She was, and I said, don't worry, we're going to get you in, and we started adjusting you. This is our third treatment now. I'm feeling a lot better from what I hear, and she's doing a lot better. So I'm going to adjust her again today, and then go from there. All right, Miss Bailey, let's go face down. Let me just check everything. We just did muscle stem. We just stretched her. Now we're going to adjust her. Ah, that looks even better than last time. Good. You're almost there, Missy. Beautiful. All right, deep breath for me. All the way out. Pause. Perfect. This side up for me. This way. This forward. Beautiful. Deep breath for me. All the way out. Just like that. The other side for me. Yeah, the second time she came in, she was really excited. She's like, it helped a lot.
Oh, yeah.
Deep breath. Oh, yeah. Beautiful. Perfect. Let's
And
go.
I've been recommending it to everyone.
Nice. Ready, Missy?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Let's go face down for me. Let me just check everything. Yeah, so if you're watching and if nothing else is working, just come on in. This will work out. If it doesn't, you have nothing to lose.
Yeah.
I'll see you next time.